Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. I hope you're enjoying your numbers. And as you all know, in the last class, we did complete with coding and we loved and enjoyed solving the codes. I told you how the numbers had to be in order, in ascending order. That is, that has to move forward. Okay. And we were able to decode what is being shown on the screen, wherein the fair has come to town is what you had to write here. So these two lines were given. They are the 4 lines which are given in the book. All of you have the book. Keep it ready, as what you have to do is you will have to show your work to your teacher in the next interaction, the workbook as well as your worksheets. Okay. And when you're finishing writing, please put this exclamation mark as well. So the sentence was, the fair has come to town. So let's move ahead. Today we have a new topic which is called comparing numbers, wherein we have two different kinds of numbers. We have to compare the number, whether it has been asked that you have to ring or color the bigger number, we color the bigger number, or ring or color the smaller number, we have to color the smaller number. So this is what we have to do, and do it to the best of our abilities. Learning numbers is easy, as the concepts are going to go vast. We need to learn the numbers and be able to do this fruitfully well. And I'm sure you all are able to do this properly as well. So let us go ahead and read. Comparing numbers, that means numbers have to be compared. Ring the smaller number, ring circle the smaller number for each. Example, there are two sets of number here. Now you know the tens group. So how do we count? 10, 20, 30. And the loose ones are 31, 32. 32. And there are 5 blocks here. Just a help for us, a single digit number is smaller than a 2-digit number. Whenever a single digit number comes or a 2-digit number comes, always quickly circle the single digit number as it will be smaller. So here, as you can see, 5 is circled. 2 and 10, which is smaller? Number 2. 26 and 4, 4 is smaller. C, 8 and 48, 8 is smaller. 38 and 3, 3 is smaller. So I hope you understood that we are trying to compare the numbers. Okay. Example number 2. When both the numbers are 2-digit, compare the tens place first. Now, पीछे का number is always in the ones place, सामने का is in tens place. Another trick for doing maths fast. You know, when bhaiyas and didis are appearing for their entrance examinations and they're appearing for their competitive exams, when you all grow up, you as well will be appearing for this. This becomes very easy trick for us to do. How many buildings, blocks? 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37. And here it is 10, 20. 24. So if you see, the number in tens place 2 is smaller than the number in tens place 3, which automatically makes this number less. 210 is smaller than 310s. As you know that we increase, that means the quantity is increasing as well. So do remember all these strategies as they help us. Another example. If the tens place is same, compare the ones. For example, in tens place here it is written 40. Here also it is written 40. Okay. So quickly compare the ones place. 42, 5. 2 is smaller than 5. We quickly circle. How many buildings? 4 buildings. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. And here it is 45. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 45. So both the places tens are same, which means 4 is given. Then we compare the ones place. These are tricks to learn comparing numbers. Let's quickly watch this. 38 and 30. Both the places tens is same. Which is smaller, 8 or 0? 0 wala, 30 is smaller. We quickly circle. Now you're finding it easy. Oh, these are only two digits. But we also know that the digits will also increase. The numbers will increase when you grow bigger. 47, 41. Ones प्लेस में 7, वंस प्लेस में 1. ये वाला इस छोटा, क्विकली स्मॉलर वाले को रिंग करो. नेक्स्ट 29, 26. 26 is smaller. 45, 48. 45 is smaller. Okay. Ring the smallest number. One has been done for you. अब यहाँ देखो 3 numbers हैं. So जब ऐसे आते हैं तो it becomes confusing. 47, 27, 11. 11 is smallest. 34, 19, 44. 19 is smallest. 23, 36, 28. 23 is smallest. 44, 37, 31. 31 is smallest. 37, 33, 34. 33 is smallest. 7, 35, 40. 7 is smallest. Okay. Same way, ring the bigger number. Right? So a 2-digit number is bigger than a 1-digit number, as you हमने जो पहले सीखा था. तो 18 और 8 में से 18 को सर्कल, 4 और 41 में से 41, 7 and 26 में से 26, 13 and 9 में से 13. When both the numbers are 2-digit, compare the tens place. 46, 23, 4 is bigger than 23. Same. 14, 20, 1 से 2 बड़ा है. We quickly circle. 48, 42, 2 से 4 बड़ा है. Circle. 18, 40, circle 40. 32, 23, circle 32. If the tens place is same, compare the ones. 3, 3. Tens place. तो then पीछे के नंबर में कंपैरिजन. ठीक है. 21, 27, 27 circle. 43, 48, 48 circle. 36, 32, 36 circle. 25, 29, 29 circle. Ring the biggest number. One has been done for you. 23, 32, 37 circle hai. Same way, I'm just going to do 2. You do the remainder. 18, 48, 33. 25, 49, 29. 49 is the biggest. Let's quickly move to the worksheet for the day, which is comparing numbers. Ring the smallest number from the given number. There are 23 here and 6 here. Which is the smallest? 6. Quickly circle. Move down. 44, 25. Which is the smallest? 25. Circle. Move down. Ring the smallest number. 37, 42, 24. 24. 12, 21, 31. 12. 41, 14, 40, 14, 13, 24, 23, 13. Ring the smaller number. 32, 2. 2 is the smaller one. They can ask anything. 8, 32. Smaller, smallest, big, biggest, bigger. Ring the biggest number from the given number. 34 or 5 में से 34 naturally more tens digits. Here in the building 34, 38. 38 is the biggest. Ring the biggest number. I'm just going to do 1. You do the remainder. Ring the bigger number. 42, 47. Just circle. Do the remainder. Color the bigger number with red and smaller number with green. Very easy. Only one I'm going to do. Bigger number. 45 and 15. Which is the bigger number? 45. So I'm going to color it with red. And smaller number I'm going to color it with green. Use your crayons and color it properly. This is how you will be doing this particular worksheet and sending it to your teacher. Okay. I will see you in the next maths class. Comparing numbers is an easy topic, but the numbers go on increasing. So do this with complete dedication, and don't forget that you have to pay attention when you're doing, or when your teacher is reading the question, or when your mummy is reading the question, or any of your parents. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.